Today, I'm going to show you how to connect to the DeepSense platform using Windows. You will need to know your username and password. Your username is your computer science ID. If you are a computer science student, you will already have one of these. If not, we will have created one for you as part of your onboarding, and your introductory email will include your username. If you haven't already changed the default password, you should do so at this website, csid.cs.dell.ca. Here you can also check your account status, and if you've forgotten your password, you can have it reset. Remember, if you're not on campus, you'll need to connect to the VPN first. Once we have, we can connect to the DeepSense platform using a variety of different tools. A fairly common one is called Putty. So if we open this up, we'll see a lot of options, but the only required one is the host name. In our case, login1.deepsense.ca or login2.deepsense.ca. And if we hit open, it'll ask you for your username and your password. This is a Linux environment, so you will need to be familiar with basic Linux commands. We'll go over those in a different tutorial. Once you are connected, you'll be in your home directory. Only you have access to the home directory. You also find in there a link to a directory on data and Scratch that are for your project. Everyone in your project will have access to these. How and where you should store your data will be outlined in your introductory email, and more detailed information can be found on our wiki. To exit, simply type exit. Now, to make things easier, we can save some of these settings. So if we open Putty again, we can put in the host name again. And if we go down to connection, data, there's the option to specify our username. So we'll put that in. And if we go back to session, under saved sessions, we can put in a descriptor and save that. So now, once it's saved, if you open Putty and simply double click on login one here, it already knows your username and it'll ask you for your password again. And that is all you need to know for how to connect to DeepSense using Windows.